Hey y'all, we back again, Hey y'all, we back again, Hey y'all, we back again, Hey y'all. Hey y'all, we back again. It's the Tub Gang and we here for some fin freaks of nature. Cause I'm the navigator, a commentator, the main educator. I'ma educate y'all in the ways of the fish, so y'all can catch the fish and put them under your dish. So just sit back and I'll be your guide. Cause when Tubby's fishing, he won't be denied. Hey y'all, we back again.
Alright y'all, we got all loaded up, got ready to go, got the kayak in the back, got the poles loaded up, got the tackle box, and I get in the truck and we're out of gas. So now we gotta stop at the gas station. So we're gonna stop at the gas station and then we're gonna hit this lake. Be right back. Alright y'all, I got a new way I'm gonna carry my stuff today. The other day I carried the kayak. Today I'm just gonna put my stuff in it and drag it. I think that'd make it a lot easier just dragging it. We can walk along the edge of this field, stay out of the beans. Don't forget to shut the gate, stay out of the beans. And if it starts to rain, then we'll just head to the barn, cause we're country boys and girls just fishing on the farm. You know how we roll, YouTube. Trying to get to this pond without busting a sweat. Look what I just found out here, folks. Look at all these blackberries. Ripe blackberries, ready to be eat. Look at these blackberries I just got, y'all. Look, there's tons more of them back here, and I see tons more back there over yonder. Eat those on the way back. I'm taking my little pee break. I just got here, and I take a pee. Found some blackberries to eat. Got him. Oh, he come off. Daggone. Ain't that how it goes? Got him. Oh no, I don't got him. I think I got hung up. I think I'm hung up. Oh man. Yeah. Fish number one. Should be fish number 3, but he's fish number 1. Not too bad, little 3/4 pounder, or maybe 1 pounder, I don't know. He's still a fish, he's still fought, and he's still nibbled. Alright, we're gonna let him go. I don't know if y'all can see that right there. I think you can. He's got me wet. Alright, he's even smaller. Where's the big ones at, y'all? Where's the big ones at? Oh no, you can't have the pole. I need some more. Little bitty guy got that big old worm. Look at that. That worm is as long as he is. That's a 10-inch fish. Uh-oh, you gonna see that. Splash me again. Must be a good way to release them. They'd like to splash me that way. Alright. I caught a couple fish. Now we're gonna try something different. We're gonna try top water. Try this top water Livingston Walking Boss. Right across my favorite point, or one of my favorite spots on the lake. Got him. He's a big one. Oh. Come here. Come here. Get in the boat. Get in the boat. Got him. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Woo, you hear that, folks? He's down there flopping. Ooh, look what I just caught. Look what Daddy just caught. Oh, big boy. Man, he still got a bloody tail. Look at that. He's got a bloody tail. Man, I need my phone. I wish I had my phone, man. All right, y'all, we finna get this release on this big, beautiful bass. We just went live on Periscope. We got the phone down here. Let's get him released right here. As long as I don't fall in. All right, what's up now, bass? It's all you, boy. It's all you. And there he goes. And that's how it's done. All right, here we go. And that was in the tree, but it fell out. Here he is. See, it must be a brim bite, or brim or crappie or something. That's another bite right there, a little bitty, but it was. There we go, right back in the hot zone. It ain't a good thump, just thunk. It wasn't that. It's that bull crap. It's that brim bull crap. Y'all know the type. Y'all get them kind of bites too? Y'all probably don't get them kind of bites. Y'all probably catch bass. Uh-oh, see, I got another bite. He's biting it right now. There he is. Got him. Yeah. Man, about damn time. Man, my phone is soaked. There we go. Now we cooking. Now we cooking with gas. How about that? What's up now? That's number 4 for the day. All right, here we go. We're gonna get this release. I'll watch the replay. Yeah, watch the replay. It's at the very beginning when I had the big one. It's at the very beginning. All right, here we go. Here we go. There he goes. There he goes. That's how it's done. Uh-oh. Oh! Dude, I'm cursed. I'm cursed. I cannot catch one live for you guys. I just missed another one. Alright, y'all. That's going to do it for today's episode. We caught some fish for you guys again today. And it was a good day. Today was a good day. Ain't that a song? 'Cause today was a good day. Today was a good day. Let's throw a couple more times.